Tutorial for downloading 3D idea generators on your PC. Open the World Innovation Network app on your PC. Click on Innovation Next Tools for Download section. Click on 3D Idea Generators Download section. Step 1. Downloading all 3D idea generators through Google Drive. Click on Download all 3D idea generators on PC through Google Drive section. Click on 3D idea generators, Google Drive section. Click again on the expanded icon. This will take you to the Google Drive link of 3D idea generators. Click on the 3D idea generators folder. Click on Download button on the menu. This will start zipping all the files of 3D idea generators and take 2 to 3 minutes for downloading on your PC. Once all the files in this folder are downloaded, extract all the files from the zipped folder and save them in the new folder on your desktop. Name this folder as 3D idea generators for easy access in future. Open the 3D idea generator folder on your desktop. You are now all set to explore the richest repository of idea generation tools to start your innovation and startup journey. Problem shooting while opening 3D idea generators after download. Please note that sometimes, the default security feature of the Windows operating system may block the 3D idea generators files from opening on your PC. Windows security feature may give the default message that the publisher is unknown and the file is from the untrusted source. Don't worry, it is an absolutely safe file from a trusted source and you should give permission to your PC to open these files. In very rare cases, especially on old PCs or desktops, you may have to install the Flash software to open the 3D idea generators. Step 2. Downloading 3D idea generators individually. Close the expanded icon of Google Drive. Click on Back button to return to 3D idea generators menu. Click on Download 3D idea generators on PC individually. Click on any 3D idea generator that you want to download. Click on the download icon. The Windows security feature may block the file and need your permission to open the file. Click on More information. Click on Run Anyway to give your permission and the file will open up on your PC. For accessing the 3D idea generators on your smartphones, please see our tutorial video on downloading 3D idea generators on smartphones.